In this question, a restaurant owner is operating at long-run equilibrium for a monopolistically competitive firm. And she's asking whether it would make sense to lower her prices because it would help also lower her average total cost. So we need to look at the diagram to see if this makes sense. And so the situation as it's described in the question looks like this. We're at long-run equilibrium where profits are zero, where average total cost is tangent to the demand curve at the profit maximizing level of output. And that's what we have here. If the restaurant owner were to produce at the minimum cost output, that would mean that they would have to go to the point where average total cost is at its minimum. And so it would be at this point right here. So the market would look something like this. Lowering the price would have moved her restaurant along the average total cost curve to this new quantity. But when you did that, what you would see then is that at this quantity Q2, the price that people are willing to pay is right here at the intersection with the demand curve. That price that people are willing to pay is less than the average total cost curve. So while this isn't really P2, this is more ATC. The price people are willing to pay is right here. And so with the price being less than average total cost, what you have then is a loss. And that loss is in this rectangle right in here. And so it would not make sense for the firm to lower their price to the least cost or minimum cost output, because to do so would create a loss for the firm. And so this is what we mean by excess capacity. They have the ability to produce more at a lower cost, but they won't choose to do that because there is then the result is a loss in the market, and no firm would choose to make that decision.